Hello in there.
Hi, my name is Paul and this is PJT Ventures. Join me while I ramble on like an empty dump truck. Today's ramble, we had a flat tire on the scraper and we got to fight this tire off. Now, when I say fight, I years ago kind of made a few mistakes. So the old rims were split rims, and so I cut the old rims off and I welded some newer rims. They were off of a pull type combine, but what I didn't realize at the time, I just quickly put the valve stem to the out to make it convenient. But what I didn't realize is on the inside of the rim, I wasn't paying attention, and the recess or the groove in order to change the tire was to the inside. Now these rims never had actual bolted rims to the hub. The hub was integral to the rim, so you'd actually have to take either the wheel bearing apart, or you'd have to pop out these big shafts and pins and pull the tire off that way. So that's how we actually have to change the tire, is take this big shaft, slide it out, take the tire off this way, and remount a new tire on this way, and then put the axle back in. And of course, this was all just because I wasn't paying attention to the internal design of this rim. So it does make the changing of tires a little bit more difficult. This tire blew yesterday, so we're just going to hack it off with a Sawzall or a orbital multi-tool thing. But I mean, it's certainly paid for itself. Anyways, we'll try to get some footage of this tire coming off and the other tire coming on, and hopefully we can get back up and running and finish this little job. There we go. Okay. So I know it doesn't seem like much, but that recess is the only way that those tires will come on and off. Had I only known, I'd have welded it the other way. Okay, good. That's a beefy shaft. Ha! I missed. Where are all those CrossFit people that like to lift these tires? I could have used them. I wouldn't even have charged you. Okay, there we go. Well, it was only 4 hours in the making. Hopefully this stays on and I can finish up the scraper job. Thanks again for joining me, and look forward to seeing you on the next one, as long as it's not a tire. Oh.